While traditional interpretation often emphasized the woman's role in the home, the core sources support her participation in society. In part 3, social and political participation will be discussed. 1. The right to education and knowledge. Islam made seeking knowledge a duty for every Muslim, male or female, without expectation. Universal duty. The Prophet Muhammad said, "Seeking knowledge is a duty upon every Muslim." The word Muslim here includes both men and women. Historical examples. Early Islamic history saw numerous female scholars, jurists, poets, and teachers. Aisha, the wife of the Prophet, peace be upon him, was a renowned scholar and teacher of both men and women. Right to work. A woman is permitted to work and earn money, as long as it does not violate other core Islamic principles or seriously neglect her duties to her family. Khadija, the Prophet's first wife, was a successful businesswoman. The ability to own property and be financially independent naturally includes the right to generate that wealth. 2. Social and political life. Historical evidence shows that women were active in public life during the time of the Prophet Muhammad and the early religion. Participation in public prayer and mosque. Women attended the mosque and participated in festivals and gatherings. Public opinion and advice. Women were known to express their view, offer political advice, and even challenge the leaders on public matters. The Quran itself contains a verse revealed in response to a woman who argued her case directly to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, in Quran, Surah 58, Ayat 1. Welfare and healthcare. Women took active roles in the community, such as nursing the wounded in battle and engaging in trade and charity. In part 4, we discuss about the concept of complementary versus sameness, similarity. One of the areas that often causes confusion is the concept of equality versus sameness, similarity. Islam teaches that men and women are equal in their human value, spiritual worth, and moral accountability, but they are not necessarily identical in their roles, duties, or physical characteristics. This is the principle of complementary. The protector and maintainer. The Quran states, men are the protectors and maintainers of women, because Allah has made one of them excel the other, and because they spend for maintenance from their wealth. Quran, Surah 4, Ayat 34. This verse is interpreted as giving the man a greater responsibility to protect and provide for the family financially. This is an obligation, not an inherent superiority. He is the maintainer because of his duty to spend his wealth on his wife. If he fails this duty, his authority is forfeited. Complementary roles. Just as different parts of a machine have different, yet equal necessary function, men and women have distinct roles that contribute to the family and society. A woman's primary sphere is often the home, where she is the central figure, while a man's primary financial responsibility lies in the outside world. However, As noted before, this is not a rigid separation in practice. So that's all for today. Please like the video, subscribe our channel, and share this video to your loved ones. May Allah bless us all.